as adults, what are some behaviors that we need to be more aware of so that we are respectful, that we are supportive of children that we don't even know may or may not have experienced something? What should we be doing or not doing or start doing? That would be helpful.
Okay, I have two main points about that. The first is that oftentimes when a child experiences trauma, they start to view the world as an unsafe place, or that adults cannot be trusted, or that males cannot be trusted, depending on their own traumatic experience. And it's up to adults and their family and caregivers to help kids kind of relearn that the world can be safe, that adults can be trusted. And that sounds really hard, and it can be very hard. But there are some ways that, adults can make a child feel more secure. And that can be simple things like having a really structured daily routine, having really predictable consequences to behaviors. And a big one is, paying attention to how much contact the child has with the adult who abused them or the adult that caused their trauma. And that's a big one. So it really comes down to that main idea of how do we make kids feel more secure and feel safe again. And then another big piece for adults, I think, is, a lot of the families that I work with, the parent also has their own trauma history. And that really impacts their parenting. And it definitely is going to impact how they respond to their kid, most likely. And so it's really important that adults take care of themselves as well and do some self-checking and pay attention to if this is triggering some of their own history. So I would say those are some of the two big things. Adults taking care of themselves so they can better take care of kids. And then also, how do we keep a kid feeling safe and accepted?